Uriel rises, a light reborn. Wings of flame in the blackened sky. He sees the fallen, he hears their lies. From the dawn of creation's cry, he guards the stars that never die. Uriel, Uriel, light of judgment calls. Burn the shadows, tear the walls. Messenger of fire, bring the end. Cleanse the world, let truth descend. He came to Noah in the stormy night. Hide yourself, the flood takes flight. Watcher of souls, keeper of flame. Every sin shall know his name. In cosmic order, his eyes still burn. To dust we fall, to light return. Uriel, Uriel, light of judgment calls. Burn the shadows, tear the walls. Wings of fire, eyes that see. Chains of wrath for the enemy. The falling bound beneath the deep. The stars obey where angels weep. Uriel stands, his light won't fade. Eternal flame, the sins reap.